Ukertong Shimet na North Shillong constituency uba Michael Carson Teo haka arhunyo terek urampang ulakano persya eka General Secretary jangka State Mahila BJP halor ke jingsam Pisa shikibrio kat badang Ïaid ka samoy tap vote hapo Oakland Shillong. Uba Carson Teo ula syang sentiat aka kali jengu haka bala yo Jingthep ya ka jenglom lang kibrio haka nikathan. Hadin kat tu kat ni minute Ukertong ka Voice of the People's Party uba Adelbert nong rum ula poi haka nikajaka bantok kit halor ke jingjah.
Secretary of another party, they were sitting here, and there was not even a single police personnel. We came, we chased out all the people. We took a video in your son also saw that. So both of us, we saw what happened. After we tell them to go away, then 2-3 police from the corner, from some corner they came and they said that there's no one here. So when we showed them the video, they wang, we don't know, hum log to manpower, we have less manpower, so we have gone there, we have gone there, we have gone there. But in that 2 hours or 1 hour, whatever time was there was a huge number of people. This polling station is less than 200 meters. What are they doing in front of the gate? What is the car of a candidate, of a party Mahila president standing right in front of the gate of the polling station? And there was one of the election observer, when we asked him, why is this lady here? Why is she allowed here? And she's not even from North Shillong. He told us that. So what? So what? So when there was an allegation, something like that, they should have stopped the car and actually they should have done a search. Maybe they will find, since everybody was clustering around that car. I humble request, today's polling here should be cancelled in this particular polling station. Otherwise, I don't know what is the result and what is the outcome of the result, because as we can clearly see, we have already seen who entered inside. How many people have entered inside?
At that point of time, official is there?
There was not even a single police person.
There's no official?
No. The police personnel who came after half an hour or something like that, after all this, after we shouted and all of that, he showed us a photo that there was nobody in front of the gate. But then when we showed him the video that there were so many people here, he just ran away.
The money was distributing, in the gate.
We can't say that, but everybody was surrounding a particular car, so you let the people decide what they're doing there. And the car belongs to a Mahila president of a political party. Before that, 1 hour before, all the political volunteers of other political party, they were chased away from here, which is rightly so supposed to be done. Like how we do in Ratsamthia and Wangdo and anyone is not allowed to stand except for volunteers. They chase everybody. But how come for 2 to 3 hours people they have just clustered here? How is that allowed in front of not less than 200 meters from the police station? It was very fortunate that Adelbert's son and me also, we were together. So you can see clearly. Even the vehicle, our car is not allowed to pass because there were so many people in the road. The DC also came and he just left. The election observer came and he just left. The election observer told us what is there. People from other constituency, what are they doing here? So what? How can somebody say like that? But it's clearly, you can clearly see that there was huge people outside. I don't know now what is the next step of action, but we want to make this public so that the people will understand what is happening here in Oakland.